Hey my lovelies, welcome back to the channel. Now today's episode, I was super excited to put it out, and well, things didn't go quite to plan. So I've started recording things that I want to share with you on the trail, and that is taking a certain obstacle or a certain trail and kind of talking you through how different people approach that, because we all have different vehicles, different skill sets, and it's pretty interesting because not everyone will take the same line. So I managed to somehow lose the main GoPro that I used for this, and I still have not been able to find it. That one had my main reaction and main chit chat on everything, but I did manage to put something together with what I had. So that's exactly what this is kind of talking you through a little bit and explaining a little bit on why people take different angles and different lines on the same obstacle. Now this obstacle is called Finley's Playground Staircase. It can be a little bit of a doozy, so let's check it out. Different line here, as you guys can see. Ooh, he knows. That's awesome. That looks really good. Yep, he's gonna climb, he's gonna float. Take it nice and easy. All right, now just take it easy. Okay. Awesome. Nice. Oh, this is giving me goosebumps. It looks so sexy. Oh, not that part. But I knew that was going to happen. You're good now. Dude, that was awesome. So it's really cool. We have a bit of a bigger group today, which is awesome. And everyone's just up there on the rock. Just riding the times, you know? Let's go first. Back up passenger. Back up passenger. Here is that the bumper was smack on that rock. In some cases, bumpers really do help. In other cases, they don't. But we'll see what's happening. Ooh, okay, a little more of an angle. Straighten up. Ooh, that might work.
Yeah, might.
Oh, nice and easy, nice and easy. Beautiful.
A little butt slide.
Awesome. Keep going, you're good. That was great work, man. Great work.
Nice job.
Oh my gosh, Mr. Spotter. You're crushing it. You are crushing it, man. Oh, thanks. All right, this is a phenomenal build. I love this build so much. And it's just so fascinating to me what he does with this. So let's check it out. Again, we're here at Wolf Caves in Mason, Texas, a phenomenal park, one of the top 5 places we like to wheel in the country. The people are awesome, the owners are phenomenal, and now you can actually download your Onyx off-road map. I'm not trying to plug it or anything, but Kurt, the owner, actually walked around the entire park and mapped everything. So it's available for you guys on Onyx. So I suggest if you come here, remember to download your map offline and yeah, have fun. Beautiful. I love this guy so much. I like to call him the Fox guy. Can you guess why? Oh yeah, you got it now. Oh, control, control. Wee! Nice and easy. Nice and easy. Keep it. Keep it. Keep it. He did it. He's like, keep it, driver. Oh. Nice work. There's a little sketch there for a second. I got all of that, sir. I got all of it. Great work, though. Great work. Oh my goodness. We have Vince right here. Green with Envy. Known him a couple of years. Great build. This build is so different to when I saw him last.
Right there.
He's fine.
Right there. You're already on the wall.
Completely fine. He has the wheelbase, his tires.
Right now, driver.
The wheelbase really helped him there, though, because you can see the bumper did not hit. And just the specific angle that he came down on. That was awesome. That looked mean.
There you go. You're out.
Very cool.
Same on.
See how he does here. He's gonna do brilliant.
Wear your seatbelt, right?
Yeah.
All right.
Seatbelt safety.
Passenger. Right there.
Nice and easy, my love.
You're touching the bottom. Passenger. You're climbing the wall.
That was nice. Nice. nice and easy because you might tip forward.
Driver, if you can. You're just gonna have to ride it up. As soon as you can get some driver, you need driver. You're climbing. There you go.
That's fine.
Keep coming. Driver,
Keep
driver,
that
driver,
muscle
driver.
going. Yep.
Driver, driver. You're gonna start dropping in the rear. Keep coming, you're good. Tight passenger just a little.
Got it. Perfect. Got it. Perfect. No problem. Nice work! Holy schmoly, macaroni! Damn! All right, now we have Dan coming down. Nice line. Great build. So he's going to come down onto those two rocks. Bumper shouldn't be a problem for him. Nice. Straight down there. Great wheelbase for this. Taking it nice and easy. Tipping up a little bit on the back there, the back passenger tire.
Right there. Right there. Come on.
There we go. He's settled back down. We'll do a little more passenger right there. Looking great. He's out. He's out. All right, guys, there you have it. I hope you enjoyed the episode. Guys, thank you so much for watching. And until next time, I'll see you later.